Southeast Asian cuisine. During the festival season, I took a stroll around the Southeast Asian food district, indulging in the diverse culinary delights. The atmosphere was lively, with colorful decorations and the sound of traditional music filling the air. I sampled a variety of dishes from Vietnam, Thailand, and Malaysia, each bursting with unique flavors and aromas. From fragrant pho and spicy pad thai to savory nasi lemak, every bite was a culinary adventure. Street vendors offered a wide array of snacks and desserts, including crispy spring rolls and sweet mango sticky rice. I also enjoyed refreshing drinks like coconut water and Thai iced tea. It was a festive feast for the senses that left me feeling delighted and satisfied. Like, comment, share, and follow. Subscribe my YouTube channel, link in the TikTok bio. Thank you.